Hi, I'm Owen Steyn from Oxford Integration, and today we are at the Keg Room, a premier destination in Abu Dhabi. We recently done an AV solution to take their guest experience to another level. Let's head on inside. We are inside the Keg Room, and joined with me is Marchand. He is General Manager. Marchand, would you like to tell me what you see the Keg Room as and what you envisioned it to be?
So conceptually, the original concept was for us to be a restaurant and bar. But then when we actually started trading, we realized that the people in the community want a more natural, more relaxed neighborhood pub environment. So through our time here, we've kind of adapted it to kind of suit many aspects of what our clients want, and being able to adapt. You know, we do Sunday roasts, we do sports nights, we do wine events. So we're quite broad in what our actual offering is.
And what sort of challenges did you face, and how did we solve it for you?
So we kind of felt that the initial sound installation was a bit flat. It wasn't really reaching our guests. Although it was providing a background atmosphere, it wasn't sort of engaging the guests. You know, it wasn't allowing us to accentuate what we actually had to offer. So we approached Oxford and asked them to sort of enhance our current sound system. Obviously, they've added additional amps. We've changed our smaller speakers into Bose units. We've added subwoofers as well, so that if we actually need to push the volume, we can, but we can also provide that sound clarity just as a background music.
And how has our AV solution really brightened the mood, or helped make the atmosphere brighter or better, Chris?
Well, our main issue was the actual design of the restaurant. It's kind of in 3 different sections. Now, what that's caused, it's caused dead spots where at certain periods of time, it'll be quiet or it won't be loud enough, and you kind of lose that punchiness of the sound. So what you guys have done for us, you've redirected our speakers, so they're all playing into the center. You've also segregated our different zones for us so that the speakers play in. Now, this now allows us to put, let's say, a section 1 or a section 2 on 2 different sort of sounds. I can play music in the one and sports in the other, simultaneously, without the 2 necessarily impacting each other.
Okay.
And obviously this allows me to still have a restaurant atmosphere in some part of the restaurant, while still be able to playing sports for a select few people in other parts of the restaurant.
And has our solution made it easier for you guys to manage the sound system, you and your team?
No, 100%. I mean, we used to have to go to our AV room and manually change our music, our channels, where with the new Crestron control panel, we're able to just do it from a tablet. It's very easy to use. I've got either a main control unit, or I've got the breakdown into the different sections. I can, from the same unit, I can actually change the sound to whatever's playing on my TVs. So it helps me so I don't have to switch between AV and sound the whole time. I can control everything from one panel.
Marchand, it's been a pleasure. May I ask how your overall experience with Oxford has been?
Everything's been seamless from start to finish. I went to do a demo at the offices so we can pick the right speakers. With Oxford, it wasn't just about making the sale, it was about providing a solution for the problem that I had. Everything's been great. The installation, the team, everything's been really spot on.
And would you guys recommend Oxford integration with anyone else?
I definitely recommend Oxford integration. Like I said, everything's been exactly what we needed from them. Everything's been done on time, everything's exact. Obviously the after sales training on the system, everything's been perfect.
Thanks. Really appreciate it and your time.
Perfect. Thank you.